Welcome to Studio Align AI. Most creators are completely missing. While the average YouTuber is struggling to get a few hundred views after years of effort, there is a new category of faceless channels that are achieving viral success in a matter of months. We are seeing a specific case where a channel launched only 4 months ago and has already amassed over 11 million views and nearly 165,000 subscribers. This isn't just a hobby. According to analytics from vidIQ, this single channel is generating more than $30,000 every single month in pure ad revenue. The most shocking part of this gold rush is that the content is created entirely with artificial intelligence, with each video taking less than 15 minutes to produce. These channels have discovered a secret formula. They transform dark psychology and deep-seated human trauma into emotionally charged viral storytelling. This isn't just a trend, it is a blueprint for a new era of content creation. To understand why this works, we have to look at the psychological hooks that keep viewers' eyes glued to the screen. This niche doesn't rely on flashy transitions or loud personalities. Instead, it speaks to the hidden parts of the human experience, the childhood wounds and secret fears that people rarely discuss. For example, one of the most powerful hooks used in this niche addresses the specific kind of loneliness that follows a child who grew up emotionally neglected. It describes the feeling of sitting beside family members while realizing that no one can actually feel or understand.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this step by step so you can start seeing results from your first upload. I have dropped the full document for you with every prompt and tool I used. Grab it from the description below and follow along. Let's dive in.
Visuals is the next step, and while it sounds complex, the AI makes it remarkably simple. You take the visual themes identified in your storyboard and use a specialized image prompt to generate detailed descriptions. These descriptions are then pasted into free AI tools like ImageFX or Whisk to create symbolic, emotionally powerful images. Each of these 20 to 25 images must align perfectly with the narration to maintain the viewer's immersion. This process allows you to create high-quality, custom visuals that look like they were designed by a professional. Layer in a calm, ambient soundtrack from a source like Pixabay. This background music is essential for keeping viewers engaged for the full 10 to 15-minute duration of the video. Once the resolution is set and the video is exported, you face the final challenge: the title. Research into successful channels shows that the best approach is to use abstract human figure art or expressive emotional paintings. You can find these base images on platforms like Pinterest and then bring them into Canva. Use a clean, readable font and add short, powerful text that matches the emotional core. Viewer feel understood. By following this step-by-step process, you are not just making videos, you are building a digital studio that operates with the efficiency of a machine. The era of the faceless psychology channel is here, and the potential for growth is unlike anything we have seen on the platform before. If you implement these steps and use the specific prompts designed for this niche, you can start seeing results from your very first upload. Success in this field is about consistency and the ability to tap into the universal truths of the human psyche.